Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to analyze Nifty's price action pattern for 22nd November, that is today, and also we will see the possible movement of Nifty for tomorrow. First we'll do review for today. In first 15 minutes candle, Nifty formed big bearish candle. After that it fall continuously. At one point of time, at around 2:30, Nifty was down around 500 point. Also, it formed a perfect price action pattern today. See, in second 15 minutes candle, it got retraced. After that, it fall, then retrace, then fall, then retrace, then fall. Finally, Nifty was down by 348 point today and closed at 17,416, and it formed a bearish candle, that is big bearish candle on daily chart. Here two important points to be noted. Nifty was forming continuously lower lows, lower highs, lower low and lower high. Second point is, see, it was closed below 20-day moving average and also 50 days moving average. This is showing the kind of bearishness in the market. Now we'll see the possible movement for tomorrow. Today the strong support 17,613, 17,613, that was broken. So for tomorrow onwards, this 17,613 will be a strong resistance. Strong resistance. See, for tomorrow, consider if the market opened as flat around 17,450 or 430, like this, the immediate resistance range, that is around 17,452 to 17,500. See, 17,452. If market opened as flat here or here, it take resistance in this range, your target will be 17,280. That is today's low. 17,280. See, on downside, if it is opened around 50 point, 70 point gap down, see, below 17,280, if it is opened here, then wait for the level 17,254. 17,254. If it get retraced here like this, then go for put option. Your target will be 17,182. 182. On the upside, if it cross this range, that is 17,452 and 17,500, then wait for retracement. I will draw here, then go for call option. Your first target is the strong resistance 17,613. See, the next possible way for tomorrow is, first I will delete this. For tomorrow, initially around 9:15 to 10:15, first 1 hour, if the market looking like sideways, then mark first 1 hour candle high and low, high and low. Make this high as resistance, make this low as support. Then if you see here the red candle, go for put option. Then if you see one small green candle, then go for call option. Keep the target first 1 hour candle high, for put option first 1 hour candle low. Most probably tomorrow will be a sideways days, because today around 2% Nifty fall, and today completely a downtrend day. So most probably this will be happen. Probably tomorrow trading range around 17,254 to 17,500. Okay friends, that's it for today. I hope the video was helpful for all of you. And finally, whatever I am sharing in this channel, these are my own analysis about Nifty. Once you take a trade, use your own strategies also. Thank you, friends.